In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to tap on Privacy Controls. And finally, access Permission Manager at the top. Now tap on one of those sections you want to manage. For example, let's tap on Camera. After picking one of them, you will see your apps listed under those sections. In case of Camera, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with AliExpress from not allowed one. It's time to apply one of those options to manage your permissions. In my case, camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to pick this one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that AliExpress gained access to my camera while I'm using this app. But what most people miss is that you can pick any feature just to find an app you wanna manage. Like I will go into Contacts only to manage my Gmail and click on tiny text below those options. See all permissions. Now you can manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!